In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide appointments in Outlook Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to quickly filter your calendar so only the events you want to see are visible without deleting anything or changing the actual event details. First, open your web browser and go to Google. This is just the fastest way to get where we need to go. In the search bar, type Outlook. You're looking for the official Microsoft Outlook site. It should clearly reference Outlook from Microsoft. Click the official result to open Outlook on the web. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that securely, and once you're in your mailbox, we'll move straight to the calendar. Now click on your calendar. In Outlook on the web, you can find the calendar icon along the left side of the screen. Selecting it will switch you from Mail to the calendar view. Make sure you're in a view you like, week, work week, or month, because the filter we're about to use applies to the view you're currently looking at. Next, look for the filter option. It's usually located at the top right of the calendar area. Click Filter to open the filtering panel. This is where you control what kinds of items are shown on your calendar without changing or deleting the items themselves. To hide appointments, uncheck appointments. Appointments are typically events you create for yourself that don't include other attendees, for example, a personal focus block or a reminder. When you uncheck this option, those items stay on your calendar in the background, but they're hidden from view. You can always bring them back by checking the box again. If your goal is to hide meetings instead, events that usually have other participants, uncheck meetings. This will hide meeting invites, team calls, or anything with attendees. Again, this does not cancel, decline, or remove the meeting from your calendar. It simply removes it from what you see right now so you can focus on other items. Rechecking the box instantly restores them. A few quick tips as you work. Filtering is reversible and safe, so feel free to toggle options until the calendar shows exactly what you need. If you don't see the results you expect, confirm you're in the right calendar view and that the filter panel is still open. Remember, these filters affect your view only. Others will still see events according to their own settings. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective. Use these filters anytime you need a cleaner calendar view without losing important information.